Welcome to the 5S revolution. Our sketching animation video provides a simple step-by-step process for implementing 5S, complete with real-world industry best practices. So, what is 5S? It is a method of workplace organization that originated in Japan and focuses on 5 key steps: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. The process begins with the sort step, where all items are categorized into keep, toss, and unsure. Keep only what you need and remove anything that is unnecessary is how to start. For this step, it is recommended to involve everyone, from managers to frontline workers. The best practice is using red tags to mark items that are not necessary for the work process. Set in order is the next step, which involves organizing items in a logical and efficient manner. Consider how you use each item and place it in a location that complements your workflow. Create a designed spot for each item, using visual aids such as labels and color coding to identify where each item belongs. Place frequently used items in easy-to-reach locations and less frequently used items in less accessible locations. Next up is shine. Clean and maintain your workspace regularly. Not only should you clean surfaces and equipment, but you should also quickly address any potential hazards or issues. Establish a regular cleaning schedule to ensure that all areas are cleaned and maintained correctly. Assign specific cleaning tasks to team members to ensure accountability and efficiency. Standardize, which is the 4th step, involves establishing clear and consistent processes for your workplace by developing standard procedures and checklists. Create standard operating procedures and checklists for all tasks, including visual aids to reinforce understanding of instructions, like posters or signs. Place it where the add value is created. Provide ongoing training. Ensure that new team members are trained on the 5S principles and that ongoing training is provided to reinforce these principles. Lastly, we have sustain. This step is all about maintaining the improvements you've made and ensuring that the 5S methodology becomes a part of your daily routine. Conduct regular audits. Regular ones can help identify areas where standard instructions are not being followed and allow for corrective actions to be taken. Continuously improve the SOPs. As new ideas or best practices emerge, update the SOPs to ensure they reflect the most efficient and effective way of performing tasks. Thanks for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.